Hey guys, get ready to impress your guests with these stuffed jalapeno peppers with the tops and stems on. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of food and dishes homemade the easy and simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any videos and hit that bell so you'll get notified. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to dive right in. As you can see, I've already cut the top off of this one. We're just going to get in here and get all the seeds and the ribs out of the pepper because that's the really hot part. Just take a steak knife and go around in a circle. You want to get it all out, but be very gentle so that you won't break or cut the pepper. You don't want to slice it, you just want to break that out, and it should come out in one piece like this. You want to pull that out. And as you can see, there's still a few seeds in there. Just rinse it. They're all out. They're gone. And now we're going to get ready and put our tops on and get them filled. I like to put the top on the bottom part to keep it together because as you can see, it's like a puzzle piece. So I want to keep each one together so I'll know which one goes with which. We're going to fill these with spinach, cheese, chicken, and cream cheese. We're just going to get this and put it in our dish. Mix it all together, and guys, you can fill it with whatever you want to fill it with. You don't have to add chicken, you don't have to add cheese, you can add anything you want. Mix it up, just do it to your taste. Make sure that it all kind of goes together and it'll taste good with jalapeno peppers, and that's about it. So once we get this all put together in our bowl here, we just want to make sure that it's fully combined. So stir it up really well, and after it's all stirred together and mixed up, then we can go ahead and get our peppers filled. Okay, and this looks pretty good and all mixed together, so let's get our peppers filled. Just want to take one and make sure you keep the top separate. I have a small spoon here, but I kind of tend to like to use this little baby spoon here because you can get down in there and push it down. You want to make sure you push it down towards the bottom so that as you're eating it, you won't have filling at the top and not at the bottom of the pepper. So just stick it in there. It's a small spoon and push it down in there. You want to leave a little extra on the top. It's going to be the glue to put that top back on there. So it's okay if a little sticks out on the edge or anything. Just stick it together, make sure it's tight, and gently sit it down. Okay, we've banged out all the rest of these, and as you can see, they're all nicely filled and the tops are back on. Now it's time to fry. Okay, we have our batter here. It's just flour, water, cornstarch, and seasonings. So you want to make sure it's kind of like a pancake batter. Just put your jalapeno in it, but you want to make sure that the top is on there. So push it down, hold it together, stick it in, put the batter on it. Then we're just going to pick it up. You want to grab it where it's cut at so that you can make sure that it stays together. So just take your tongs, pick it up, sit it down in the hot grease, and let it fry. Okay guys, these are ready to turn over. As you can see, they are nice and golden brown. Woohoo! Yes, you're going to impress them. Now we're just going to take these all out and let them drain. As usual, I like my paper towels up under a cooling rack so that the oil would drip down and not get soggy on one side. So just take them all out one by one and make sure that they are good and drained. We don't want any greasy peppers there. And now we're going to cut one open and see what it looks like on the inside. These are golden brown. Woohoo! They look delicious. I cannot wait. Okay guys, so we're going to just get one here, cut it open, and see what we have on the inside. Yes, your guests will be so impressed that you stuffed these peppers with the tops on. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes, I cannot wait. Woohoo! Looks so delicious. Guys, leave me some comments. Tell me about your stuffed peppers. If you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe so you won't miss any other videos. Hit that bell so you'll get notified. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.